Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the alternative of crying filter which is now available on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. So these are for all of you people who cannot find the Snapchat crying filter, or for the people who cannot record a video using the Snapchat crying filter. So first, on your phone, open up your TikTok app, tap on search and search for unhappy. It should appear under effects and look like this. Tap on the one which has a rainbow background. Now if you don't see this, then this means that this filter is still not available for you. Keep trying, as TikTok will slowly make it available in your region. You can browse through how others have used this filter. As you can see, this filter is very similar to the one on Snapchat. Tap on Try this effect to use the filter. This will take you into TikTok's recording screen and you will see the unhappy filter on your face. Now record your video using this filter and then post it on TikTok. And that is the alternative of the Snapchat crying filter on TikTok. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.